This quick video explains how to buy shares of Porr AG. Porr AG is a European construction and civil engineering company listed on Xetra under the ticker ABS2.DE. And this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to place the trade, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ABS2.DE to locate Porr AG. Confirm you select the listing that trades on Xetra to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and sector information to confirm this is Porr AG. Check the price chart and basic data to ensure you have the right asset. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then carefully review order details, such as order type, estimated fees, and total cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will queue until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. After the order executes, your Porr AG position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and valuation. For the example link, check the video description.